Now we are talking about cyclopentadienyl complexes. First we are talking about what is metallocene. It is defined as a metal sandwiched between two rings. Example, ferrocene. In ferrocene, iron atom is sandwiched between two cyclopentadienyl rings. The iron atom is bonded to all atoms of the compounds. It has aromatic character because there is extended by pi delocalization of electron in the molecule. In ferrocene, there are two structures are possible. Stacked form, another one is eclipsed form. In stacked form of ferrocene, it shows d5d point symmetry. We have shown in the picture the cyclopentadienyl are present in opposite side. So it's called stacked form. In rutazine, the cyclopentadienyl rings shows same side. So it is eclipsed form. It shows d5h point symmetry in rutazine. In ferrocene, iron atom is present in +2 oxidation state. Balanced cyclopentadienyl ring is negative form. Firstly, I told you it have aromatic character, so it also follows Haeckel rule. Then the stacked form is possible in solid state. In gaseous state, the eclipsed form is possible. That are shown in the picture. Then now we are talking about structure and bonding of ferrocene. The linear combination of ferrocene form 5 molecular forms. In first form, there is having no nodal plane. So this form is strongly bonding. Then next 2 and 3 forms are both are same, but structure is different. Both are having one nodal plane in bonding orbital. Then another balance 4 and 5 are also having different forms. Both are having 2 nodal planes in antibonding orbitals. Firstly, I told now there are 2 cyclopentadienyl rings are in the ferrocene compound. So each having 5 molecular orbitals. So there will be a linear combination of 5 molecular orbital of 2 cyclopentadienyl form 10 molecular orbitals. Then the 10 molecular orbitals reacts with the metal orbital to form molecular orbital of ferrocene final compound. It is defined as the 10 molecular orbital of cyclopentadienyl combined with metal orbitals. These are possible. The metal is suitably filled with symmetry. Symmetry possible, then the finally compound is produced. Then the MO diagram of ferrocene. Left side is the Lingard orbitals, right side is metal orbitals, you also know. In ferrocene, it have 18 electrons. First 12 electrons are filled in bonding orbitals. It's provided by cyclopentadienyl ring. Balance 6 electrons are provided by iron atom. It's placed by non-bonding orbitals. This shown in the next slide. In this case of ferrocene, there are 18 electrons in total. The electrons firstly occupy bonding molecular orbital filled by 12 electrons from cyclopentadienyl ring. Balance 6 electrons from iron atom. I also told first. In this case, dxz, dyz are antibonding molecular orbital are vacant because electrons fulfilled by bonding and non-bonding orbitals. You also know. For example of, we also know ferrocene is having 18 electron system, but nicolocene and cobalancine having 12 electrons and 18 electron system. Then balance balance 2 electrons is moving towards antibonding orbitals. Then another one, cobalacenes, balance 1 electrons moving to antibonding orbitals. In this case of bond order decreases because the electrons are moving in antibonding orbitals. So this can be easily oxidized. Antibonding orbitals means that extended state, so it is also unstable. Then also influenced by bond length. Bond length of ferrocene smaller comparable to cobalacein and nicolecene. Then finally synthesis. In synthesis of ferrocene, 2 moles of cyclopentadiene plus 2 moles of diethylamine plus ferrous chloride to form ferrocene and quaternary ammonium salt. Then another one is iron reacts with quaternary ammonium salt to form ferrous chloride and tertiary amine and one hydrogen molecule. Then produced ferrous chloride reacts with cyclopentadiene and tertiary amine to form ferrocene and quaternary ammonium salt. In simple way of synthesis of ferrocene, iron reacts with cyclopentadiene to form ferrocene and hydrogen molecule. Then finally thank you.